Hello, teacher. Uh, Hello, everybody. I am going to talk about my homework. What is your cell phone of the week 8? I am doing this work only. So let's go. Hey, how are you today? Hi, I'm good. Thanks. Just relaxing at home. What about you? Same here. I was thinking, where do you usually keep your phone? Most of the time, I leave it on my desk when I am at home. If I am moving around, I usually in my pocket. Where do you keep yours? I usually place it on my bedside table, but sometimes I put in my backpack when I go out. That makes sense. And what about your books? Do you have a bookshelf? Yes, my books are on a big wooden shelf in the living room next to the sofa. How about you? Mine are in my bedroom on a small bookshelf next to my desk. I like having them. I like having them close when I want to read. That's nice. Speaking of furniture, where do you usually sit when you study? I have a chair in front of my desk where I sit when I need to focus. And you, Marshall, is between my desk and the window. I like studying with natural light. That sounds comfortable. And what is your TV? It's on and stand beside the sofa in the living room. What about yours? Mine is a mounted on the wall above the table in the living room. It looks really nice there. Cool. What about your bed? My bed is near to the windows. I love waking up with natural light. What is yours? My bed is against the wall, next to my wardrobe. That's so great. This was a fun chat. It's one night talking to you. And yeah, same here. Have a great day. You too. See you soon. Thank you so much. This is all for today. Bye bye.